Now, Mr. Customer, who was disgruntled and upset and mad, isn't looking at a timing belt replacement. Now he's looking at an engine replacement because the engine is zero tolerance and it's damaged beyond repair. We had to source a used engine for him at the time, which we then, of course, installed a new timing belt water pump kit on the used engine before we put it into the vehicle. But another example of thinking that you're saving money, thinking that you're being ripped off, when in reality, we're just advising you as to what is required or recommended by the manufacturer. Totally your decision, but sometimes the decision of thinking you're saving money or someone's trying to take advantage of you is not necessarily the case. So why do people choose cheap? What's the psychology behind it? Well, I'm certainly not that educated to be able to get into the reality of psychology and what's involved, but I can tell you that after owning my shop for as long as I have, it comes down to a few basic fundamental things. First is uncertainty. We're unsure whether or not we're going to be keeping this vehicle. We're unsure whether or not we're going to continue to put money into this vehicle. So we want the absolute cheapest option available.